So in this MacBook tutorial video, I will be showing you guys how to create a personal voice. So once you guys are into the system settings, I want you guys to scroll up a little bit here to where it says accessibility. Go ahead and select that. Once you guys are here, there is a bunch of different options that you guys can select. But in case we're looking for personal voice right here, I want you to go down to where it says speech, and then where it says personal voice, go ahead and click this. Once you're on the personal voice page, right here it says personal voice is a simple and secure way to create a voice that sounds like you. It can be used with live speech, spoken content, voiceover, and augmented speech apps. So if you want to go ahead and create a personal voice, you can go ahead and create right here. You don't have to go ahead and go into your password and all that type of stuff, but you can go ahead and follow the steps this way. And once you have your personal voice created, you can go ahead and select if you want to share this across devices or allow applications to use your personal voice. And you can basically manage it through the personal voice page here through accessibility. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how to create a personal voice on MacBook. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.